Alright guys, you are welcome once again to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design a full-fledged e-commerce website just like what you are seeing on the screen. Alright, if you go ahead, you can see that there are so many products on the website. Alright, you can see different pictures and on like that. Now, if you go ahead and click on any product here, you can also see the menu. You can also see the menu here. You can see the very menu item. You can see the logo. You can see all of that. Now, if I go ahead and start to click on any of the category, you can see accessories, men, and the rest of them. Let me just click on accessory, for example. If I click on accessory, you can see the various accessories. All right, I click on, let's say I want to go with this earring, this luxury diamond earring. I click on it. All right, you can see it will take me there, show me the categories of the description of the product. And if I click on add to cart, you can see it add to cart. All right, click on add to cart, it takes me to add to cart. All right, so from here you can click on view cart. All right, you can click on view cart. All right, so you can see that now. So if I click on this, I can now go ahead and proceed to checkout. Can you see that? So where it will now take me to where I will make my fill in my information and make my payment. All right, so you can go ahead and proceed to checkout where you can now make your payment and everything. So in this particular training, I will also show you how you can set up different payment method, how you can set up your shipping, and how you can process everything that has to do with an e-commerce website. All right, so without wasting much time, let's begin this training one after the other. So the first thing you need to have access to is called a cPanel, just like what we are seeing here. This is a cPanel, and there are so many reliable web hosting companies out there. So in case you are confused on anyone, our number is on the description of this video. Just chat us up and we'll get access to you. We'll get across to you on how to get a reliable web hosting for your website. Okay, so now if you come here, once you purchase the minimum hosting, you'll be given access to a cPanel. All right, just like what you are seeing on the screen. So now from here, just scroll down to where you have your WordPress. You can see it here. This is WordPress. Click on WordPress. All right, click on WordPress. Then come down to where you have install. You can see install now. All right, so I will just use this thing. I can say online, just for the sake of this training. I can say online. All right, then I will put in my information. All right, put in my information just putting all my information. Then once I'm done, I'll just scroll down and click on install. All right, click on install. All right, you can see that it's installing. Perfect, perfect. So I'll click on this. Right, once you finish installing your WordPress, these are the two links you will see there. All right, you will see these two links. You can see online. All right, you guys. Okay, let me close this again and redo it again. So let me click on this. All right, so I have to change the name of the directory. So I've installed WordPress on it now. So I'll click on this. All right, so once you install your WordPress, you have these two links. All right, you have these two links. So the reason why I'm using this ecom is because I'm working on a directory. So for you who is designing this for your clients or anybody, you just install it straight on your WordPress without having the directory. So once you install, you come over to this dashboard here. This is your dashboard. All right, from here you come to appearance and upload theme. You can see theme here. Click on theme, then click on add new, then click on upload theme, then click on choose file. Good. All right, so once you are done, I'll come to ecom. All right, so the file I'm going to be uploading. All right, I'll just select this is the file here. I'll click on it. Then I'll click on install. All right, click on install. So this is the first process. Once you are done installing your WordPress, the next thing to do is to get the template you are using and install it like this. All right, so it's a step-by-step process. Once you are done, you can see that the installation has been done successfully. So you click on activate. All right, good. So once you click on activate, you will see that it will bring out the necessary plugin for you to install. So I'll just click on begin installing plugin. All right, I'll begin installing plugin. So there are two page builder here. You can see WP Bakery page builder, and there's also Elementor. So I'll just use one. I will select all, but I will untick this. All right, so I don't want to use this. I don't want to install it. So I'll just untick this. Then I'll click on bulk action, install, apply. Very easy, very easy. So I'll wait for it. You can see that it's installing. You can see it's installing. So just quickly wait for it to install. All right, good. We are almost there. The fifth. as you can see, the installation has been done. So I'll click on return to plugin installer. You can see there. Then the next thing is I will select all again. I will make sure I untick this WP Bakery. I will untick this. Then I will go. The next, what I will do now is activate. I'll click on all. I will select activate and I'll click on apply. You can see it's very easy. Very easy. Good. Now that you are done with that, you click on go to your dashboard. You can just click on that to go to your dashboard. All right, good. It's taking me to Elementor, so I'll just remove this. All right, good. All right, I'm in my dashboard. The next thing, all right, the next thing I will do is to install a plugin. All right, it's still part of the plugin you need to install. Is a plugin. I'll click on it. I'll click on add new plugin. All right, you can see there. Then I'll click on upload plugin. I'll click on choose file. All right, so once I do that, I'll come to plugin. You can see plugins here, still on this folder. All right, you can see the name of the plugin. It's called Su Demo Importer. I'll click on it. Then I'll click on open. Then I'll click on install now. All right, so what this plugin will do is that it will help me to import the template I want to import. So once I'm done, I will click on activate. Good. I'll click on activate. You can see that. Then, so once we are done with all this process, the next thing for us to do is to come to appearance. You can see appearance here. Once you come to appearance, you will see import demo data. Click on import demo data. I will click on it. Now you can see different templates. You can see different templates. You can see different templates. So whichever one of them that you like, just click on import. So I think I will, because of what I just showed you earlier, I will work with this particular one. You can see it here. All right, you can see any of them that you want to work with. So I'll just click on import. All right, click on import. Can you see that it's importing? So I'll just wait for it to import. I'll just pause this video so that it can quickly import. The moment it's done, we can take it up from here. All right, as you can see, the demo has been imported successfully. So what I will do now is I need to view the site to see how it looks. So I'll just click on it. I'll open the site in a new tab. All right, once you do that, you will see how it looks. So good. All right, you can see it's still loading. Still very much loading. So just wait for it to load. All right, as you can see, the demo has been imported successfully. So you can see all the content. So what we have to do next is to make sure that we remove all the things we don't want from this. You can see the way it looks. I can see everything there. So I'll just remove what I don't want from here, and I'll also show you how you can do that. So the first thing for us to do now is to create our categories. So I'll just come back to my dashboard. All right, come down to where you have your products. You will see categories, product categories. So I'll just click on it. All right, so click on product categories. All right, so once you come over to this part, you will see the different demo categories that came with it. So I'll just click on this. All right, still loading. All right, still very good. I'll just click on this. All right, so that everything there will be highlighted. So I'll just, once I'm done with that, I'll click on bulk action, click on delete, click on apply. All right, you can see it's very easy. All right, good. I'll still repeat the same process again. Just do it so that I can delete everything I have there and create my own category. All right, good. All right, good. So I'm just left with this. So just think this is the last one. All right, so just click on delete, apply. All right, good. I'm left with this. So what I will do now is to change this from all categorized. I can just click on edit. All right, I'll just change it from all categorized to accessories. Good. Accessories. All right, good. Accessories. All right, now another good thing about this particular template is that when you are creating your category, it will ask you for image. You can see where it says thumbnail. You need to attach an image beside in the category. So I'll click on this. Now I already have some pictures in my system. So I'll click on upload. Right, click on upload and I'll click on upload file, select. All right, so once I do that, I'll come to download. I have some pictures I've downloaded. So I'll just select these 3 pictures. Then I'll click on open. All right, click on open. All right, these are different categories. So I'll use this. All right, so for these accessories, this will be my category image. So once I'm done with that, I'll scroll down and click on update. Good. All right, so I'm done with that. So I'll have to create other like 1 or 2 categories. So basically, for this particular website, I want to design a wristwatch e-commerce website. So I'll click on go to categories here. I've created one, so I will create other two. I can say men. I can say men. Right? I'll just do that. So that doesn't mean you cannot use it to create other kind of website, but I just want to use this for the sake of this training. All right, you can create as many categories as possible depending on what you want. So I'll click on this now. All right, I'll select this image, then I'll click on add new category. Added, good. I will do the last one. I'll do the last one, women category. All right, women category. All right, women watches. Copy that, come here. Then I'll upload the picture. This is the picture here. Select that. Then I'll click on add new category. All right, perfect, perfect. So these are the three categories I have here. Now, what I will do is to go and create my menu. Since I've created my category, I need to create my menu. So I'll come back to my appearance. I'll come to my appearance. I'll come to menu. All right. So you can see these are demo menu that came with it. So I'll just come down to this is the primary menu. So you can see there. So I'll click on primary menu and I'll click on select. All right, click on select. All right. So once I do that, you can see all the where is it? All right, these are the category, these are the menu items. So I will just delete everything. Oh, sorry, I will have. So I'll just click on delete. Okay. All right, you have other menu there. You can see shop by department. I'll click on select. You can see all of this. I'll also delete. I'll also delete it. Then I can now create my category. All right, create my category. So what I will do is I'll come over to this place. You can see create new category. All right, I'll click on create new menu. Sorry, create new menu. I'll just come here. I'll call it primary main menu. Then I will make it my primary menu. I will also make it my side menu and mobile header menu. That means when they show it on mobile phone, this is what will appear. All right, I will also make it mobile category menu. Do I need to do that? Okay. All right, I'll click on create menu. Good, I've created the menu. All right, so I need to add items that I want to be on the menu. So I'll come down to view all. You can see the home page. I will add the home page. If you want the about us to be there, you can add the about us, but I don't want that. I'll just add the contact us. All right, if I add the contact us, what else again? I can add the shop page. All right, I'll click on add to menu. All right, good. This is my menu item here. So I'll come back to this place. This home with adjust, I'll just remove that. Just make it simple home. All right, then I will save my menu. Save my menu. All right, good. So now let's review what we have here. Can reload this. So can you see the menu here? Can you see the menu? All right, you can also see this one too. This is the side menu that we created. Good and fine. Let's continue. Now to add the categories of products to the menu. So what I will do is I will come to my product and I will come to categories. I will open this in a new tab. All right, open this in a new tab. All right, these are the categories. So what I will do now is this is accessory. Just take your mouse to where you have this your view. Can you see there? Right click on it and select copy link. Then come back to your menu. All right, you can see where it says custom link. You can see custom link here. Click on it. All right, paste the link there. Then I call it accessories. All right, accessories. So have it like that. Click on add to menu. All right, good. You do the next one too. Copy the link. All right, copy the link. This is for men watches. I'll come back here. I'll paste the link there. I'll say men. Oh, sorry. So let me remove that. I'll say men watches. Add to menu. Then the last one we have there, which is women watches. So which means that you can create as many categories as possible. So I'll come back to this place too. I'll paste it. All right. I'll also call it women watches. Sorry, watches. I'll also add it to menu. Good and fine. So these are the item or the menu. So I will bring down my contact to the last one. I will bring it down, then I'll click on save menu. I go together. So once I'm done with that, I come back here. I refresh. You can see can you see the item there now? Can you see the item? Can you see all of them? Perfect and perfect. So what I will do next is since I'm done with that. The next thing is I need to set up my home page. I need to set up my own page. I need to delete all these items that is here and bring it my own design. All right, before I do that, let's quickly go to our WooCommerce. Now, when it comes to designing e-commerce website, there is a plugin called WooCommerce. WooCommerce is designed to help you facilitate e-commerce activity. What are the e-commerce activity? Payment, product, store arrangement, currency, and shipping. All right. So these are the things that involve in WooCommerce. Payment, number one, store information, shipping, and order. All of these are what it entails in e-commerce. You need a place to set up your payment, how you want to collect your money. You need a place to set up your shipping. You also need a place to set up your store address. Where is your store located? Your store currency. All of these things are done from the WooCommerce. I will together. So once you have it, this is the plugin. Just click on WooCommerce and select settings. All right, click on settings. So once you come to settings, you put your location. Right, you put your location. So it's asking me Benin City. I will just put it there, Benin City. Now, where is my store located? Nigeria. All right, I will come here and type Nigeria. All right, Nigeria, Edo State. Where are you? Edo State. Can you see that there? So if you have a zip code, you can see a zip code. You paste it there. Then you have other things there. Where do you set to? Do you set to all countries? No. Do you set to all countries except best? I set to a specific country. Now it can be like I set to only Nigeria. You can see that there. You can put it there. If you set to like 2 countries, you can put the 2 countries there. All right. So that is what we have there. Okay. Then you leave every other part. So ship to all countries. No, you ship to the countries you set to. Only the countries you set to. That's where you ship to. All right. So you leave this part. Then coming out to your currency location. If your store you want your currency to be in dollar, you leave it in dollar. There are so many other currency here. You can see them. There are so many other currencies. So depending on the one you want. So basically, I'm working with Naira. I'll just select Nigeria. You can see the Nigerian Naira. So I'll select it. Okay. So once I'm done, I click on Save Changes. I will together. I'm done with the first part. Then I'll come to Product. I need to be sure that my product is my shop page is my shop. All right. I'll just leave that. Just confirm that your shop page is showing shop. All right. So once you are done confirming that, just scroll down and click on Save Changes. All right, so once you are done with this, you just click on Save Changes and you move to the next one called Shipping. All right, you move to the next one called Shipping. So once you come over to Shipping, what you are basically doing here is that to make sure that your store and everybody that is ordering from your store, they have a particular place their product is shipped to. All right, so you can categorize your shipping in terms of zone. Right, for instance, you have this particular one that says North Zone, and the region in the north you have Sokoto, you have Kano. Right, you can add other zone. For example, I come here and I click on add zone. I click on add zone. All right, I can select east. Oh, sorry, I can select east zone. All right, so when I do that, I will come down here and select the state in the east. I can say Abia. All right, you can see that Abia. You can see Enugu. All right, you can see Enugu. All right, and so many other states like that. So once you are done selecting the state you want, then you come down to this place and click on add shipping method. All right, so these are the different shipping methods you have here. You have the free shipping, you have the flat rate, and you have the local pickup. All right, you can set up the local pickup. So I'll just click on free shipping. So I'll click on continue. All right, I'll click on no requirement, create and save. Good and fine. So meaning that anybody that ordered from Abia, Enugu, and the rest of the states, it means that they will be experiencing free shipping. That is how to add your shipping method. All right, if you also wanted to make payment, you can go ahead and edit and select other option too. All right, good and fine. Let's continue. The next one we have is what is called payment. You can see payment here. All right, now once you create once you upload this template and the rest of them, you have access to these 3 payment options. You have the bank transfer, direct bank transfer, you have check payment, you have cash on delivery. But there are other payment methods, right, which will allow you to collect money online. Example, you have the Paystack, you have the Flutterwave, you have the Stripe. If you're outside Nigeria, you have PayPal. All right, if you also have a account with Coinbase and BitPay, those ones will allow you to collect your money via cryptocurrency. All right, are we together? So now, for this particular video, I'll just click on, you can see Paystack. Paystack is a payment gateway that allows you to collect your money via online. All right, so what you will do is, for you to have account on Paystack, go to paystack.com. All right, go to paystack.com and create an account. Very easy to create an account on Paystack. Once you come to Paystack, just give them your real name, your real email, your real phone number, and a means of valid ID card and a utility bill, which can be your NEPA bill. All right, so once you have all these things given to them, make sure they are legit. Your account will be created in less than 24 hours or maximum 48 hours. Your account will be created. All right, so once your account is created, you can now link it to your website. You can link it to your website here. All right, now let me just show you. Once I click on this, I'll click on Get Started. All right, click on Get Started. Good. So once you do that, you can see that it's asking me for the two things you need from your Paystack account are called secret key and public key. So once your account is live, all right, it's live, you will see that this part, you just come here and untick this part here, untick this thing. You can see that it's now showing live secret key, live public key, meaning that I can start receiving money from my customer or from my client. But once it's not active, once they have not verified your account, it should be in test mode. That's why you are seeing test secret key, test public key. That's how to connect those. The two things you need from your own Paystack account is just the secret key and the public key. So once you have that, just come down here and click on Save Changes. Right, click on Save Changes and you are good to go. So now let me click on this. Let me click on this to go back. I think I'm done there. All right, still waiting. Good. So you can see that the Paystack has been added. So for you to just make it active, just enable it and enable this. So meaning that on this part too, once you enable it, just come here and click on Finish Setup. Click on Finish Setup. Now you can see where it says Direct Bank Transfer. Make your payment directly to our bank account and the rest of them. You can further give them instruction and say, send your proof of payment to, you can put the WhatsApp number there. All right, you can put the WhatsApp number. All right, you can put the WhatsApp number so they can send you a message. Then you put your bank account, your account name, your account number, and bank name. All right, for example, I'm using Zenith Bank. I'll put Zenith account number and my bank name. You can add as many as possible. Once you are done, you click on Save Changes. It's very, very easy and it's very, very swift. Are we together? So good. Now let's go back to my payment. I think I'm done with that aspect of payment. All right, so if you want to add another one too, you can add as many as possible. All right, good. So you come to account and privacy. On this part, there's nothing basically to do here. So you just go through it, read all the terms and conditions if you want. If you are good, so you read it. Then you have your email and the rest of them like that, like that. So anything at all, you can easily go through it. So that is how to set up your WooCommerce. All right, how to set up your WooCommerce. All right, so why this part is very, very important is because you will need it when you are collecting your payment and every other thing. All right, so now that we are done with this, the next thing we need to do is to go to our site and clear all the demo product that we have there. All this demo product that is there, these are demo products, demo content. We need to delete all of this off. So I will come down to product and you see all products. You can see all product there. All right, so I will make sure I delete all of that. You can see that. Just come here, select all. Oh, sorry, still loading. Good. I'll just click on the select all, bulk action, move to trash, then apply. All right, you can see that. So I'll just do it again. All right, then I'll click on bulk action, move to trash, apply. All right, so you can see that. So once I'm done with that, I come back to my site and I refresh. You see that there will be no product here. As you can see, there's no product displayed on the website. All right, there's no product display here. So what I will do now is I will come back to this place and make sure I fix in my product. So let me show you how you can upload product to your website. All right, so now for you to do that, come to product and click on add new product. All right, click on add new product. So once you click on add new product, you can see where it says product name. I'll type the product name. I can say luxury smart wristwatches for men. All right, so let's say this is mine. I'll just do that. Then if I have description, I can add my description here. All right, then how much am I selling the product? How much am I selling the product? Now there is difference between regular price and sales price. Regular price is the normal price you are selling the product before. Now when the sales price is there, it means that probably I'm running a promo. Let's say for example I'm selling that product before for 20,000. Currently I'm not running a promo. So instead of 20,000, I'm now selling for 15,000 naira. All right, so that is how this particular one works, meaning that your sales price must always be smaller than your regular price. Are we together? So that's what you must always ensure you do in that aspect. So let's say, for example, my product is 45,000, but I'm not selling it for 30,000 naira. You can see that. I just put it there. All right, good. So I'll come down here. If I have other description, for example, let me go to AliExpress now. Let me show you something. Oh, sorry, AliExpress. All right, let me come to AliExpress and show you something here. All right, still loading. Now, if you come to AliExpress, let's say this is the product now. All right, this becomes my description. I'll copy this description. You can see that I'll copy this. All right, I'll copy this description. All right, so I'll copy this. Then I'll come to my option here. You can see that I'll paste it here. All right, I'll paste it here. Then I'll remove this. I think I'll remove that. Oh, sorry. I'll remove that. Then I'll come down here. Just make sure I just arrange it a little bit. All right, so what the proof? Okay. All right, so this is my description. Good and fine. So I'll still come down here. There is this specification. You can see that I'll copy this specification. You can see that I'll copy this. All right, then that becomes my short description. You can see it here, short description. I'll paste it here. All right, you can see that I paste it there. All right, so once I'm done with this, all right, once I'm done with this, I come down to where you can see my category. Where do I want this product to display? It's a men wristwatch. I will select men. Can you see that? Select men. All right, then you have product image. Product image is something like this. The picture that will be displaying is called product image. While the rest displaying here, they are called product gallery. Good and fine. So I'll come here, I'll select a product image. All right, so I'll just go to my system and I will upload. All right, so these are images. Let me just go down a bit, I think. All right, I'll just select this. Let me just select like 3. Then I'll click on this to import it. Good. You can see that they are loading. All right, I'll just wait. Good. Sorry. All right, so let me just work with this too. I'll set this as my product image. Then I will come here to my gallery. I will now add like 2 images. Let's say for example this picture, and this picture. They becomes my product gallery. All right, they become my product gallery. So once I'm done with all of this, then I can now publish. All right, so this is how it takes. These are the things involved when you are uploading a product. It's a step-by-step process of uploading product. Good and fine. Now that we are done with this, the next thing is for us to see our site, to see how it looks. All right, good. Let's look at it. You can see the product that is showing here. Can you see the product is displaying there? You can see the product. Reason why you are having this minus 33 is because you can see how much I was selling before. This is how much I'm selling now. All right, good. So once you have that part here, now to edit every other thing on this website, all right, once you open your home page like this, just click on edit with Elementor. So you can remove what you don't want from the site. All right, that's the essence of that. So I'll just click on edit with Elementor. You can see it's loading. Let me just wait for it to load. All right, as you can see, this is my page. So like this part, these are the categories there. I don't want this. I can just delete it off. Or I can delete this one. This is my product showing here. All right, this one too, if you don't also want it, you can as well delete. All right, so this is what you have. So this one that is also showing here, if you don't want it, you can as well delete. Like this one that is showing blog, I don't want this, I can delete it. This one I can also delete. I can delete. All right, so what I will now do is to make sure I upload as many products as possible on my website. Then this one you are seeing here, this is an image. You can always design an image from Canva. All right, you can design an image from Canva and upload it. Now let's say for example I want to edit this. Once I click on it, you can see you can see the background. Can you see the background? This is the background. All right, you can see the background here. All right, so I can always edit this background. All right, you can see the background showing there, so I can change the background. All right, you can see the content. This is the content. You can see Bose Bluetooth wireless headphones. You can see that then you can edit this shop now. You can scroll down. If you scroll down, you will see the shop now. This is the shop now. Then you can now insert your shop link there. All right, if that's what you want, but if you don't want it, you can trash it. Then make sure you save changes. All right, good. So these are the things you do here. The same thing you can also do on this one. You can also edit this image. If you click on it now, you can see the background. This is the image here. This one too. This is also the image. All right, you can also see the background. This is also the image. You can remove it, you can edit it, and use it the way you want it to be. The same thing you have on these three sides of images. All right, you can edit it too. If you click on any part, the major part is make sure you enable your edit Elementor. So once you do that, you can now start hovering around any of them and edit each of them. All right, this right up you are seeing here, this smart TV, this you can also edit it to what you want. All right, good. So once you are done, you make sure you update and you save changes. All right, so once we are done with that, let's move ahead. The next thing for us to do that, looking at what we have here, is to edit our home, the header. I will show you how we can edit the header, and also we'll look at how we can edit the footer. Let's go. To do that, come back to appearance. You can see appearance here. When I come to appearance and click on customize, let me open it in a new tab. All right, come to appearance. Let me just scroll down. Sorry, let me appearance. Come to customize and open it in a new tab. All right, it's loading. All right, so you can see that this is the customize. From the first part, you have the general. Once you click on general, you can see site identity. All right, you can see it's showing my blog, my WordPress blog. So I can change this to my, I can say my, I'll just change it to my e-com. I can say e-com store. Let me just use that word. So you can change it to anyone you want, e-com store. So your site title becomes your site name. Then you can have your tagline. All right. Your number one, okay, let me just say your best. That's for example your best online store. You can see that there. So your best online store. Oh, sorry, online. Your best online store. Then if you want to add is favicon. All right, favicon is a small logo beside your site. All right, you can see the favicon. I can click on this now. All right, let's say I want to use this as my favicon. Let me just select one. All right, so let's say I want to use it as my favicon. I can click on select. You can see there. You can see the way it's showing. This is how favicon is. So just click on crop and I'll use that as my favicon. Then I'll scroll down and click on, I'll just come down to this place and click on publish. All right, I'm done with that. Go back again. Then this is a newsletter. I don't want it to be showing. I'll just turn it off, the two of them. Then I'll click on publish. All right, good. Come back here. You have your home page setting. All right, it's still there. Then come back here again. This is for general. Then you have the typography. All right, typography talks about the font family. So basically, if you are doing anything here, you are not sure, don't touch anything. So just leave it like that. Then come back here. You have your header. Let me focus on the header. You can see the promotion. All right, sorry. All right, this is the header. You can see the header. It has the promotion. All right, I can turn it off. They have the logo. To change the logo, you can see this one is showing Matfury. This is Matfury. So I want to change the logo. I'll click on select logo. All right, let's say I want to use this now. I click on this and I'll click on select. Once I do this, it will change. I can see the logo has changed here. All right, so let me just go back. Let me remove this and use the other one that is there. Click on select. Let me just use the one that is there. Let me use this. All right, so this is the logo. All right, good. That's how to change the logo. Once we are done, publish. All right, go back again. Then you have your header layout. All right, so header layout. If you don't want, this is an account, so I don't want this account to be showing. You can untick that. You can see that it's no longer showing there. You can see the search bar. This is the search bar. If you don't want it to show, you can also remove it. This is the departmental side. If you don't want it to show, you can also remove it. So just publish. All right, good. Then go back again. So that thing again. You have the hotline. You can see the hotline. You can put your phone number there. All right, good. Just take your time and go through each of them one after the other. All right, so once you are done, you can also go back. Then you have the mobile. You can see the mobile. Mobile is for phone. All right, make sure you do your settings on mobile. You change your logo on mobile too. All right, change your logo and you do your header on mobile. All right, good. So the next thing I will quickly look at here is what we call, let me go back, is what we call the widget. You can see the widget. Now, if you check your website, let me open the site in a new tab. All right, let me open the site in a new tab. If you check your website, your header, you will see all this is welcome to Matfury online shopping store. English, US dollar, track all the order, store location. I want to change all of this, so that's what I want to show you that. So I'll come back here. You can see the top left. Top left. I'll click on it. Click on got it. The top left is showing what? You can see there, welcome to. If I don't want it, I can delete it. All right, I can delete. So I don't want it. I'll click on publish. All right, go back again. Then you have your top right. The top right is this other side. This other side, this is your top right. You can see that there. Then I will come back here. You can see it English. I don't want this. I can delete. All right, you can see it's very, very easy to work with. I so much love this template because it's easy for you to navigate. All right, you can see your store location, track your order. I don't want any of them that you don't want. You can just delete. Very, very easy. So once you are done, you publish. Right, publish. So that is how to change all the. Now let me refresh so you can see what we have done so far. If we refresh it now, you can see that it's no longer showing except this your track your order. That is all. So you can see that with this now we are done with the header. Now let's go down to the footer. You can see the footer here. All right, so coming back to the same place, come back here, go back. All right, you can see the footer. You can see the footer link. All right, you can see the footer link. Let's let it load. You can see the footer link, your television, which is what you are seeing here. You can see television, computer and technology, so which is what you are seeing here. So I can also delete it. I don't want it. I just delete. All right, come back here too. I'll also delete this one. All right, good. Then I'll make sure. Let me try it again. Delete. Then I will save changes. All right. Once I'm done, I will go back again. Then you have your footer link one. Do you have it there? All right, so it's very, very easy, which is what we are seeing here, the quick link. Where's the quick link? You can see the quick link, you can see this. All right, so if you don't want it, just make sure you delete. This is it here, click on it, I will delete. All right, I'll delete this, then I'll publish. Then go back again. You can see link 2, link 3, link 4. You can see that this is the link. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, you can remove that if you are satisfied. If you are not satisfied, you can as well leave it. All right, so this is how to build an e-commerce website with Matfury. All right, with Matfury. Now you can see that I haven't checked all of these things. You can see that there's nothing left on the website. All we need to do is to upload more product on our website and make sure we have a good content. All right, a good content. So let me just do one more. Let me just do one more. Let me look for an image and upload. Let me just upload this video, upload this content. All right, let me upload this content. You can see this now. Now this is the wristwatch. All right, let me just upload this wristwatch so you can see that I will download this. For you to have this extension is called AliSave. AliSave is a Chrome extension. You can download it on your system. Just go to your browser, search for AliSave as AliSave. All right, you can see the AliSave Chrome extension. Just add it to your own. So this is my own showing here. Or you can see my own. So with it, I can download as many pictures I want. Where is it? I think, is this the picture? Okay, so I'll just click on this. All right, I'll just click on it. It will just download all the pictures for me. All right, I can see all the pictures have been downloaded. So I'll just come back here. So once I'm done, while that one is doing that, I'll just come here and copy my own title. You can see the title here. I'll copy this. Then I'll come back to edit products. Then I'll click on add new. Can you see that now? Add new products. All right, good. So I'll add new product and I will paste the title here. Good. I will paste the title of the product there. You can see that. Then my description, where is it? My description. All right, this is my description, my description. So just have it there. If I don't have anything to put there, I can leave it blank. Then this is my specification. I can just copy this. All right, I can copy this, then come back to add new product. All right, I will just, sorry. So I'll come down here now. I will paste it here. All right, this is my specification. Then how much am I selling it? I want to just use regular price. I can just say 40,000. All right, I don't want to put a sales price. Let me just leave it like that. Then I'll now select product image. Click on upload. Click on select file. Product image. You can see that. I'll just come up here. Just select. Then I'll click on open. All right, you can see the products, they have been uploaded. All right, so let me just use this as a product image. You can see that to be shown here. Then I will now add the rest as my product gallery. You can see that here. Product gallery. Just select this. Then I'll add this to my product gallery. You can see that. So once you are done, I'll come down here and make sure I select my categories as my main wristwatch. All right. So once we are done with that, I can now go ahead and click on publish. All right, so this is how to upload product on our website. So if I come back to my website now and I reload it, all right, I come to my website and I reload, all right, reload my product here. All right, you can see it's showing here. I can see it's showing here. All right, this is the product. All right, why it's not showing here is because I'm not running a discount. That's why it's not showing. So if I come down to this place, I can see that you can see add to cart, you can see quick view, you can see wish list, you can see compare. Right, if I click on add to cart here, you can see that it has been added to cart. I'll click on view cart. You can see that now. You can see cart. So once you come to cart, you can see it there. Now it's asking me to proceed to checkout. I'll click on proceed to checkout and do all the necessary adjustments. From there, we can go ahead and make payment. All right, so this is how to design a full-fledged e-commerce website using Matfury. All right, so if you are there, you would like to design something like this and you need this template, all you need to do is to contact the number shown on the description of this video. All right, and you have access to it. All right, so hope you enjoy this video, and if you do so, kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed to our channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever new video like this are posted. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end. See you in my next video.